Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover part 2 of the chapter 7 Types and Elements of Maps from your class 4 SST book. Let us learn about understanding size in maps. The information in maps must be accurate. We should be able to tell what the actual size and shape of the land is by looking at the map. It is done with the help of scale. Well, what is a scale? Scale means the connection between the actual size of something and the size that is drawn on the map. Scale is very important while learning about maps. With the help of a scale, we can actually learn about the accurate size of the area on the land which is shown on the map. For example, if a line is 5 cm long, it can be represented by a shorter line which takes shorter space. Here, the smaller line represents bigger line. 5 cm is represented by 10 mm. Therefore, 1 cm is represented by 2 mm. Since 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. This is written as 2 mm equals to 1 cm. This is called a scale. This means with the help of scale, we can either minimize or maximize the area on the map by either increasing or decreasing the unit. Now let us learn what is scaling down. The method of drawing an exact and accurate representation using a scale is called scaling down. For example, here you can see two rectangles, rectangle A and rectangle B. Rectangle A is 4 cm in breadth and 5 cm in length, and rectangle B is 8 mm in breadth and 10 mm in length. If you see carefully, rectangle B is drawn to a scale of 2 mm equals to 1 cm. It is an accurate representation of rectangle A. Here, the scale of rectangle A is decreased, but the size is still the same. This is called scaling down. This method is mostly used to represent larger area of the ground on a small sheet of paper. Let us now learn about scaling up. When we use the scale to work out what the actual size of a place is, it is called scaling up. All maps are drawn to scale in the same way. The scale is usually given in one corner of the map. For example, here you can see two rectangles. The rectangle towards your left is 8 mm in breadth and 12 mm in length, and rectangle towards your right is 4 cm in breadth and 6 cm in length. Here, the small rectangle is converted to a bigger rectangle by just changing the unit and doing the proper calculation. This process is known as scaling up. Mostly, this kind of method is used to calculate the exact area of a land which is represented on a map.